Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck sitting on 16-inch wheels, dressed in a midnight black paint job, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine. Some of the great exterior features you'll find on this vehicle are turn signals on your side mirrors, as well as your blind spot detection, and you'll find some fog lights at the bottom as well. Taking a look inside, we have our key fob here with our lock and unlock button. As I mentioned, it is a smart key, so you can either lock the door, just placing your finger right there, or unlock it by just placing your hand inside the door handle. Taking a better look inside, you'll find your power mirrors, power windows adjustments, as well as your extra storage. Taking a better look at that two-tone black fabric and gray interior. This vehicle is equipped with your all-weather mats as well. Taking a look at the steering wheel, where you'll find your volume adjustment buttons as well as your hands-free calling. On the other side, you'll find a dial to switch to your vehicle's different settings and menus. Under that, this vehicle is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, so you do get your lane departure as well as your dynamic cruise control. Taking a look at our touchscreen, you do get your navigation, Bluetooth audio, as well as your standard FM and AM audio. You do get a little projection for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under that, you do get your dual climate control settings, as well as your 3-level heated seats. You do have your differential settings, as well as your push start. Under that, you do get some extra storage, some cup holders, even more storage, and another cup holder. Taking a look in the back, you'll find some extra storage on both sides of the doors. Continuing with that black fabric and gray interior. You do get your all-weather mats in the back, and if you want some extra space down here, it's as easy as lifting up your seat right there. You can take off your headrest and pull this lever, and it'll fall down flat, and you do get some extra storage behind the seats as well. This vehicle is also equipped with your 360 camera. Taking a last look at the all-new Toyota Tacoma, some of those great interior features included your heated seats, your Bluetooth audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and as well as your backup camera. There's still a lot I did not get to cover, so why don't you come down and take it out for a test drive. We're located off of 137 Ave in St. Albert Trail.